All right, guys, we're finally ready for the windows. We're going to take the window here. I'm going to just explain real quick what we're going to do. I've said something about it. We're going to take the first one. I'm going to set it up in here. I'm going to screw it here and here, and then I'm going to screw it on the top and bottom. Then we are going to take the mullet. Then we're going to take the mull. We're going to take it, put it on the side, and we will throw the other window in from the other side, screw it from there, and then screw it from the top and bottom as well. So that's the process of what we're going to do. All right, we're going to grab these windows now. We're going to throw it in here. To help hide the screws, these pop out, but it's actually up, so there's another hole you can see they already have made there. Right down here's the hole they have for it. Take this one, pop it in there. Okay, I raise that up. I want to shoot a screw down there, then I will lower this back down. Same thing up top. What I'll do, I don't have one, it's either missing or I'll have to find it. There's a little short one that goes in here. What I'll do is I'll shoot a screw up through here, slide that up, that way you don't see the screws, and see, as you can see right now, it's screwed in, okay? But there's nothing on this end to hold it in. So you have to do something, so that's what we're gonna do. We'll push this out where it's supposed to be, shoot a screw through the top, shoot a screw through the bottom, mull it, put the other window in, and nobody will know the difference. Okay, just where it's nice and tight. So you can see the screw, so now we're gonna take this. If I can get the slide. Look, there's no screw. Ta-da! So that's what I'm talking about. Now, watch. Now it's in there like it's supposed to be, because you're fastening in all four corners like you normally would. A normal window, you would have, I mean, and I could have done that, but then I would have had to do something outside. You could have put a board in here. I could have screwed it just like I did that side over there. This side screwed it, but then I'd have a board in there that I'd have to wrap it or do something with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this mull on here now. As you see, mull, I mean, it's basically nothing to it, okay? There's one side that's a little thicker than the other, not much here, okay? And here we're gonna put the thick side out. So what will happen is this is just gonna go in here like this. Okay, and we'll get it all the way over. I'm gonna cut that just a hair. I don't gonna have to. I'm gonna cut it just a hair, but anyway, that will snap on there like this. And then we'll just work our other window in there, and then we'll do the same thing. Screw it top and bottom, screw it to the side, and our windows are fastened. So that is what we're gonna do with that process. Let me finish this up, and I'll show you guys the finished product from the inside and from the out. Alright guys, so that is how you install some windows with the mull. So come over here and take a look at this. This is much cleaner than if I'd have had a 2x4 in here and I'd had to do something with it on the inside and on the outside. But I mean, like, look at that. You don't even know that that really is two separate windows. So that is called a mull, not a mullet, a mull. I know those are coming back right now, but a mull is what these are called. They're called a window mull. There's different types. The ones, I have those actually. Sorry about the background noise, my neighbor's mowing the grass. I have mulls in the front windows of my house. I'll show you a picture of those because I have 3 windows together. They were a little different. It's the same principle. This one here has it where it sits inside of it, so that way you don't have any of that to mess with. So I'm gonna show you from the outside here. I'll shoot you a quick video or a picture of my front windows just to show you what I'm talking about. But guys, this is how it's done. All right guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you would, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell. That way anytime I put stuff out, you can see it, you can watch it, you can learn something. And that way you can do the projects yourself, save you some money, or hey, you just learn something new. So we appreciate you guys, and remember, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching. All right, so there's the outside of it. We went from that big old sliding ugly door the 2 windows when we put in the new door on here. Stay tuned for that video. I will get that off. I got the other off, so I didn't have to get a ladder. I don't have one tall enough at the moment, but I will get that off. That was just the old track. And look how clean that Mull looks now. Like I told you, you don't have that piece of wood sticking in the middle. Let me get you up here as close as I can. So see, look how good that looks. You don't have that big old piece of wood sticking out there or nothing. Pick up these front windows. Ooh, give you a little bow tie. So check that out. Oh look, another bow tie. Alright, so here's what we got on the front of the house, okay? This, you probably might be able to tell it used to be, actually there's 4 windows, I lied. So we have 2 big ones and small ones, I forgot. These are fixed panes, and then these actually open on the ends. But as you can see, let's see here. So see this little piece right here? All that is, there's a metal piece on the inside of that, of the window, and on the inside, or in between the windows, that is like this way, okay? It ran up and down. And it's got a flat piece sticking out, and then this piece just snaps. You just take it, and you just snap it on there like that. You start at the top, snap it, work your way all the way down to the bottom of the window. On the inside and the out, but that's the, just giving you another perspective of what I was talking about. So let me show you what we got here. So see, there's those windows. So that looks much nicer that way. So you don't have, in between this one, you don't have a 2x4 sticking there that I had to either wrap or do something with. This makes it look nice and clean. That way you don't have anything that you have to worry about rotting out or trying to wrap.